Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy and today I'm going to bring you to my week 2 unboxing. I don't know actually what the title of this video is going to be, just down to the fact that I've got my week 1 item as well as another item to showcase, and then another item which is a North Face item that I recorded about a week and a bit ago to add on to the end of the video, or to add in at some point in time. So yeah, we've got quite a couple of items to go through, but before we get into any of the unboxings, as always, let me know down below if your week 2 items have arrived. I know that some people's week 1 items haven't even arrived. This is my week 1 item. I'd say it's sat around for about a week and a bit now. And yeah, I've been saving it to do this unboxing with, pretty much. If your item has arrived, as always, are you going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling it? Or have you already sold it on? Other than that, if your item hasn't arrived, have you got a shipping confirmation or shipping email for when it will be delivered? And have any of your week 3 items, if people went for week 3 items, have they had shipping orders yet? I got mine yesterday, but I don't know when that will arrive, possibly tomorrow, but I do not know. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this unboxing. 2 Supreme items, or 3 Supreme items, 4 Supreme items actually overall, and then a different item to talk about just at the start. So let's just get into this. That was a bit loud. Okay, so let's kick it off with something that's just a bit different. I need to put some lights on, I think, because it's bright outside, but it's not really working. So let's just kick it off with this. This is a Duke Blue Devils Varsity. Now basically my brother was clearing out some clothes that he still had here, because obviously he's moved out, obviously because the apartment video was like a month or more ago. And in short, in the corner of one of the cupboards was this, which is still owned by one of my family members, but because obviously I like varsity jackets, they said I could just have it. So it might be classed as, I guess you could say, vintage at this point in time, because it's older than me. They said they got it about 30 plus years ago. And yeah, apart from the fact that it is missing one of the button piece like clips here, or the part to connect it to, I don't know the specific name for them, and that it just needs a clean or a clean up sort of thing on some of the bits and pieces. It's still in really decent condition, so yeah, I thought why not, because I've got it on hand, I might as well show it. Okay, next up, basically to add to my deck collection, in short, I had the Supreme Playboy crew neck for about a year or so, and my brother basically just messaged me asking if I wanted to trade for a deck. So yeah, I'm not exactly going to say no, because obviously I haven't really worn the crew neck like at all, so a deck was a really like good option for me. He tried to put it up on his wall, however obviously he said that it just didn't really match the others, and he wasn't really a fan of it anyway, but he picked it up for a fair price. So it's the Capone Noriega deck, and yeah, there's not really much else to say. The wrap's in a bit of a like state, you know, it's had, I guess you'd call it, a bit of a mare. It probably needs like a clean, because there's literally dirt and stuff all over it, but oh well, it is another deck into my collection. And yeah, I was going to pick one of these up a couple of years ago, but their price hasn't really changed, to be honest. But you know, it's better than having a shirt or like a crew neck sit around for the ages, to just get a deck and add that into the collection. That wasn't good. So let's kick off the unboxing. First, my week 1 item. Yeah, there's nothing else really to say, except let's unbox it, because well, that's what you need to do with these items in the end. So hopefully I get a sticker pack or some of the stickers that I didn't have, because I'd like some, you know. I can see straight away a shower cap, so there's another one into the collection. Hopefully I get one with my week 2 item, but I don't know. And apart from that, we've got a box logo sticker and no sticker pack. Okay, that's great. I was hoping for a sticker pack, but oh well. So we have the overdyed beanie in the pink colorway. I think it's a really clean beanie, personally. And yeah, it is just another beanie into my collection, I guess. I've just noticed that the top of the bag is ripped, or maybe that's the thing that they're doing with bags anyway, because it doesn't actually look like someone's torn it. It looks like it's on purpose, like there's a literal like purposeful hole at the top of it. But anyway, yeah, I don't really know what else to say about it. It's a beanie, that's it. Right, now let's move on to my week 2 item, which is, again, a beanie. So will my week 3 item, that'll be a beanie as well. So the collection is starting to stack up quite quickly, to be honest. So let's unbox this one as well. Nice and easy. And with this one, again, a box logo sticker, no sticker pack, and another shower cap. I prefer to get a sticker pack over receiving a shower cap, to be honest, but oh well, that happens. So this is the Tonal logo beanie. Obviously it says Supreme Paris. I think that the embroidery on it is really clean, and yeah, it's just going to go into the collection. I think this pink sort of colorway, or light sort of pink colorway, is really nice. And yeah, just overall I think it's a nice beanie. In the end, both of these sold out within, I'd say, about 10 or 15 minutes. So it's not exactly like people didn't want them, and I just think at some point in time I either wear them or I will be selling them on. But currently they're adding into the beanie collection. You know, I've got like 9 beanies now or something, so yeah, I've got a lot of beanies. Anyway, I am going to throw you back to a week and a bit ago so you can watch the North Face item unboxing, and then I'll finish off the video. Okay, so my brother messaged me a couple of hours ago saying that when the item arrives today, I should just basically unbox it straight away, and yeah, it has arrived. Now all that I know is that it is a North Face piece, and yeah, that is it pretty much. So let's unbox it. Also, if there are 2 separate thumbnails for this video, the reason is because this has been recorded on a different day to when I will record my next unboxing, because I don't really think that I can make this into its own little video. So yeah, my camera's a bit closer today because my tripod for some reason is locking when I'm trying to undo it. So yeah, we're just a lot closer. Okay. Here is the package, plain and simple. All my brother said, like I said, is that it is a North Face piece, and that's that. So yeah, I'm literally just going to make a cut here and rip it open, in short, because there is way too much sellotape on this thing. Has he bought another Denali? Or is it an expedition or something, or international? Okay, it's not a Denali, but it is of the same sort because it's a fleece jacket. It's the Trans-Antarctica expedition. Okay. So yeah, he's bought the Antarctica fleece jacket. Oh, that's cool. And at the back it says Supreme. I've never actually had one of these before. I've never actually had one on me. I don't know whether or not my brother's had one before, but yeah, I've never had one. I've thought that they look pretty cool, to be honest, because of all the little details and bits and pieces to them. I've always thought they're quite nice. And they never had the sort of price that the Denali did. But yeah, actually seeing one or having one in hand, it's actually really, really nice. And it makes me want to like sell stuff and get one. Yeah, okay, this was unexpected. He said that he wasn't going to tell me what it was, except for the fact that it was a North Face piece. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Peace. Also, if I seemed a little off today, I'm not really, or for this part of the video, I'm not really too well. So yeah. That is why. So yeah, there was that unboxing for my brother's piece. He basically paid, I think, like 60 to 80 pounds over retail, because the North Face pieces aren't really selling that much, or that specific style, I guess you could say, aren't really selling that much over their retail, or like a massive amount above their retail. So yeah, he got it for quite a fair price. Anyway, that is going to cover this video. If you enjoyed it, that'd be much appreciated. Other than that, I will see you either tomorrow to go over any news, if there is any news, or I will see you on Tuesday for a drop list video. Also, thank you for 8,000 subscribers, genuinely. It's great. I really do appreciate it. We're like 80% now towards hitting 10K, which would just be great. So that is going to cover it. If you'd like me to record any videos for weekends, sort of like collection videos or anything like that, I'd happily do that. But apart from that, I will see you all next time. Peace. I forgot to record like a quote unquote, I guess, having it on or wearing it type of thing, because obviously I've got it for the thumbnail, but I didn't really put it on or anything. But yeah, it is a medium, which is a size down for me, I guess. But I think that, to be honest, it's not that bad. I personally like it. The shade of blue into the white is really clean. And yeah, I definitely think if I either get a pair of, I think clean black shoes would look okay with it, but possibly the blue Yeezys might work okay, but the shading on this is a lot darker. So if you've got any suggestions for any shoes that might match this, last time I had this at Christmas time or just before Christmas when I got the pine greens to match the Forest Box logo. But yeah, I just would like something to match this. Maybe I need to wear white, like a white shirt or white tee and then white shoes, but I really don't know. So yeah, if you have any ideas at all, they would be helpful. Drop them down below. And yeah, I'll see you all next time. Peace.